a yummy fruit salad. And fruit salad is very healthy and strong. But you can make this at home. Ask your parents to do this. So, when you need to do fruit salad, you need fruits. So the first fruit is apple. We do need apple. And next is strawberry, grapes. Then we need, what else do we need? Yes, you need orange. We even need rock melon. We need pineapple. And what else do we need? What else do we need? Honeydew. Yes, honeydew. And we need kiwi. And we need grapes. And we need bananas. Bananas is very healthy. And after bananas, let's see. Pineapple. Yes, that's all the fruits you need. And one more thing, that's honey. I like to use honey more because it tastes delicious. But it's your choice to choose if you need honey or you don't want honey. It's your choice. So now all of these fruits, we are going to chop them. Hiya, hiya. So now we are going to chop all of these fruits. Wow, I cut all the fruit with snapping. Now I'm going to show you all the fruits we have. So we have some yummy bananas. We have some yummy some yummy kiwi. And we have some yummy pineapple. What else do we have? Oh yeah, we have some yummy orange. What else? And grapes too. And we have rock melon. And we have honeydew. We have apple. We have strawberry. We also have some vanilla ice cream. We have some yummy honey. And the last two, we have some toppings. So, now we're going to mix all of the fruits. You need melted ice cream, but we do it as a solution. So now we're going to take all the fruits and pour it into mix. So the first fruit I'm going to put is my favorite fruit, strawberry. Let's put all of it. You have to put all of it. Oh no, there's one more in there. Okay, get it. Now I'm going to put pineapple. Put it all in. Next we need. Now I'm going to take orange. Orange and put all the oranges. Now fast. Now we need apple. Put all the apple in. And there's one more too. Sorry. And now we need kiwi. All the kiwis in. After kiwi, we need rock melon. Okay, for this, now we are going to do honeydew. This is a lot of honeydew. I don't know if I can eat this one. Okay, for this one, it's a lot. Oh yeah, not a lot. That's a lot. Now we need bananas. Now the bananas will pour it. Let's do some more. Some more in. Now we need grapes. Let's do some more grapes. Okay, that's all. Now we need honey. So now I want to serve this. Now we are going to add toppings. Okay, let's open the ice. Yummy. Okay, now let's scoop it. You have to only one. Who's scooping? Okay, I'm just going to put it. more. And now we have to add some little honey. Only little bit, not a lot. Just a little bit. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. We don't want to need more sweet. Now take 2 of these. 1 and then now 2. Now put them on top. Now the last one is the cherry. Cherry on top. Cherry on top. Now I'm done and see. It looks yummy. It smells nice. Now I'm going to do a taste test. I got that. It's very delicious. You can do this at home with your family. And give me a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. And also hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. Bye.